In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reschedule meeting in Outlook calendar. If your plans change, you don't need to delete and recreate an event. Outlook makes it simple to move an existing meeting while keeping the same attendees and details. Here's how to do it smoothly and make sure everyone gets the updated invitation. First, sign into Outlook and open your calendar. Look for the calendar icon in the left side panel. Clicking it switches you from mail to calendar. Navigate to the day of the meeting you want to change. You can scroll through your week or month view, or use the date picker to jump straight to the correct day. Click the meeting on your calendar. A small preview window will open showing key details like the title, time, and attendees. From this preview, go to the top right and select Edit. This opens the full meeting editor so you can make changes. If it's a recurring meeting, Outlook may ask whether you want to edit just this occurrence or the entire series. Choose the option that fits your situation before continuing. Now adjust the scheduling. Update the date if the meeting is moving to a different day, and set the new start and end times. Make sure the duration still makes sense after your change. If you work across time zones or you're traveling, double check the time zone indicator so the new time is accurate for all participants. While you're here, it's a good idea to add a short note to the message body explaining the reason for the change or highlighting what's new. Clear communication helps people adjust and reduces confusion. When everything looks good, click Send to finalize the update. This sends an updated invite to all attendees. They'll receive a change notice, and their calendars will automatically reflect the new date and time once they accept. Your own calendar will update immediately. If the new time conflicts with something on your schedule, Outlook might show a warning, so review any alerts before you send. A couple of quick tips to make rescheduling smoother. Consider adding a buffer when shifting time so attendees aren't rushing between meetings. And if your meeting includes an online link, it will carry over automatically when you edit. There's no need to recreate it. After sending, you can confirm the update went out by checking the event or your sent items for the updated invitation. That's it. You've successfully rescheduled your meeting in Outlook calendar without starting from scratch.